Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the spooky and fun world of Halloween decorations with a spotlight on the best Jurassic Park trunk or treat decorations. If you're looking to make your car the most exciting spot at your neighborhood trunk or treat event, then you're in for a treat. We're talking about the amazing dinosaur jungle-themed car decorations kit. So, let's jump right in. This delightful kit features vibrant, eye-catching decorations that perfectly encapsulate the thrill of the Jurassic era. Imagine transforming your SUV into a prehistoric wonderland. With fun designs that include various dinosaurs and jungle elements, this kit is designed to grab attention and add a playful twist to your Halloween festivities. The combination of colors and themes not only sets the mood for Halloween but also brings out the adventurous spirit of Jurassic Park. What's great about this kit is its versatility. It's not just for your car. You can use it to decorate your garage door or even create an archway entry for your Halloween party. This means you can use it in multiple ways, making it a fantastic investment for your holiday decorations. Plus, it's super easy to set up. No need for complicated instructions or tools. You can have everything ready in just a few minutes. Now, let's talk about the materials. This kit is made from durable materials designed to withstand the outdoor elements. Whether it's a chilly evening or a bit of rain, you can rest assured that your decorations will hold up and keep looking fantastic throughout the event. Not to mention, they're easy to remove afterward, leaving your car clean and free of residue. And for those of you who are a little eco-conscious, you'll be happy to know that the decorations are crafted with safe materials, making them perfect for family-friendly events. You can decorate your car without worrying about harmful chemicals or materials. It's all about creating a safe and enjoyable experience for kids and adults alike. The price point is also appealing. At just $19.99, you get a complete decoration kit that is sure to elevate your Halloween spirit. When you think about how much you'd spend on individual items, this kit is a fantastic deal. Plus, considering the joy and excitement it brings to your trunk or treat setup, it's well worth the investment. So, if you're looking to add a bit of Jurassic flair to your Halloween celebrations, this dinosaur jungle-themed car decorations kit is your best bet. Get ready to create memorable moments and have a blast while trick-or-treating in style. Whether you're a parent looking to impress the neighborhood kids or just someone who loves Halloween, this decoration kit will not disappoint. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews and recommendations, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Have a spooktacular Halloween, and remember to embrace the adventure of the Jurassic world in your trunk or treat festivities. Until next time.